Today we're going to show you why your ABS is going brrr on perfectly dry roads when you come to a stop. What we have right here is called a tone ring. This tone ring is what your sensor reads for the speed of each wheel on your vehicle. On this particular vehicle, it was a 2010 Ford Edge. This tone ring belongs on the end of this axle. It presses onto this axle here. That's where your sensor then reads how fast the wheel is turning. What's wrong with this tone ring is the tone ring is split or broken. What happens when it's broken is it not only loosens up on the end of the axle, but it also creates a gap, which will make this wheel seem as though it's spinning either faster or slower, resulting in a brrrr when you come to a stop on a perfectly dry road. So this fix, in this case, on this 2010 Ford Edge, is to replace the axle with a new tone ring on the new axle.